My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now you are welcome to our online class. Dear students, I introduce myself with you. My name is MD Khurshid Alam, assistant teacher of Rangmala Adarsha High School. Dear students, previous class we have discussed about narration. We discussed on narration. You know, it's a big chapter, it's a wide chapter. We need 3 or 4 class to complete this lesson. If you want to learn narration, you need learn tense, because tense is called the heart of a grammar. So now I will give some example on narration, especially it's will be given on tense. So see the example, direct narration. He said, I eat rice. Change it indirect. He said that he ate rice. Next one, direct narration. He said, I play football. Indirect narration. He said that he play football. He played football. Dear student, you see, he said, I eat rice. This sentence, I change the tense. It is present indefinite tense. I change here I change first indefinite, because here you see the reporting verb is said. So I change the tense. Both direct narration and indirect narration are same. You see, next we complete the present indefinite tense and change into past indefinite. Next you see, direct narration. He said, I am going to school. I am going to school. Make it in indirect. He said that he was going to school. Dear student, you say, I am going to school. I am going to school. It present continuous tense. We change it past continuous tense. Here you see, we change its past continuous tense, because our rules say it's, if you see the present indefinite, it's make into past indefinite. If you see its present continuous, change into past continuous. Another one, you see another one. He said, I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Indirect, he said that he was reading a book. You see, both sentences are same. Present continuous change into past continuous. Present continuous change into past continuous. Next you see, next one you see, direct narration. He said, I have eaten rice. Make it indirect narration. Said that he had eaten rice. You see, I have eaten rice. It's present perfect. We change it past perfect. He had eaten rice. Just to withdraw the inverted comma and join that. Next one, you see another example. He said, I did the, he said, he said, I have gone to school. Make it, change it indirect. He said that he had gone to school. Same way, he said, I have gone to school. It's present perfect tense. We change it to its past perfect tense. Both sentence we change, because when we see the reporting verb is past form, we change the tense and join that to side. Next one, you see next tense, direct narration. He said, I have been, he said, I have been, playing cricket. Cricket for 2 hours. For 2 hours. For 2 hours. Make it indirect, change it indirect. He said that he had been playing cricket for 2 hours. Here you see for. When since and for. One thing is called, for is called period of time and since is called point of time. Since is called point of time. You see next sentence, next narration, direct narration. He said, I have been reading a book since morning. My dear student, you see the since. Here we use for. Here we use for 2 hours. It's called period of time. Since is called point of time. It's called point of time. Its duration of time, unlimited duration of time. Its point of time. We finding the time. I have been reading a book since morning. I have been reading a book since morning. Indirect narration, make it indirect narration. He said that he had been reading a book since morning. We withdraw comma quotation and join that to complete the indirect narration. My dear student, you see the next two narration. Direct narration. He said, I ate rice. I ate rice. You see, I ate rice. It's the tense of past indefinite. We change it past perfect. We change it past perfect. Indirect narration. He said that he had eaten rice. My dear student, see another example. Direct narration. He said, I did the work. Next you change it. Indirect. Say that he had done the work. Please write down quickly. You see the next one. Direct narration. He said, I was eating rice. It's past continuous. We change it fast. We change it fast perfect continuous. He said that he had been eating rice. He had been eating rice. So we discussed 6 rules on narration. My dear students, I hope you understand my lesson and you practice those example. Thank you very much to join our online class. I hope to protect yourself, your family and your country from the COVID-19, to follow the rules of World Health Organization. Thank you very much.